Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna do a oil change on my 2021 wide body Scat. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video. I ain't gonna do too much talking. I already done jacked the car up. I'm finna get under here. I might well do my own pipes too. I don't need this yet. Alright. See, the carbonator connected to the thermostat. And the thermostat is connected to the stove. Y'all want me to do an oil change so bad. I ain't gonna lie, I look pretty amazing under here. Alright, y'all, I'm taking this other screw out. It was a little tight. I had to get a 13. Take it out. Yeah, anyway, y'all hit me up if y'all need oil changes. Got it. I got it. The last screw. Is this the last screw? I ain't no hoe. I don't get tired. It's me against this screw, and right now I'm winning. My legs is getting wet right now. All because I gotta do an oil change because Stormy wanna require oil change and shit. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all, we finally got this. We finally got it out. Removed for engine service. Boy. Oh. Alright, so now I ain't gonna do too much talking because it's gonna start raining, so I gotta hurry up. So y'all just follow along with me. Y'all just watch what I'm doing. Alright, y'all, I just got the filter off. And it's all on my hand. I see why the mechanics be having that thing that you can just like move like that. It's a lot of work, what? Screws, we got the other filter right here. This mug look dirty already. Now I'm just putting the oil around this little part right here. Gotta get that shit right. Get that shit right. My nails over with. It's okay, I'm gonna take them off today. I'm getting redone. Alright. Now I'm gonna put the filter back on. Mamacita. I got the last screw off. I got the oil draining out. Yeah, all y'all who said I couldn't do an oil change, I just proved y'all wrong that quick. Alright, y'all, I went ahead and put the screw back on there for the little oil thing. Like, you know, I put the filter on, then I put the screw back on. Now I gotta put this thing back on. and then put the oil in there, and I'm done. So I'm finna put this on there real quick. If I can't get a good angle to record, then I'm just gonna show y'all when I'm done, because I ain't finna do all that extra. It's cold and it's raining. So I got everything done that would need to be done under the car. Now I just gotta pour the oil in there. My big shot is thick, you know what I'm saying? She takes 7. I probably could have got just a big thing, but it is what it is. As long as the job get done. As long as the job get done. Look at that clean oil. My oil was black, y'all. Like, it was time, like, that was the only time I ever let my oil light get on 0%. And that won't ever happen again. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm almost done. I got one more to put on. Whew. Finished the oil change. Now I'm finna just go for a ride, because I ain't gonna lie, I let my oil get to like 8%, and I don't know if it was at 8 or 0. It was at 8% like 3 days ago, but I ain't been dropping for real, so I don't know. But when I did notice I needed an oil change, my car wasn't really like picking up speed. Like, it was picking up speed, but like not how it usually do. So we finna see what's time out. I ain't quit. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. 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 Hey. I don't care what nobody say. That fresh oil change, boy, that shit had 30 extra horses. That shit had 30 extra horses. Hey, it's driving so much better. I feel like it don't even drive this good when I let the dealership do the oil changes. I feel like I just got that magic touch. Voila. If you in Atlanta, Georgia, meet me on 75 right now. Nah, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That was my first time doing an oil change, like, by myself. And it was really, like, it was very therapeutic. So y'all let me know if y'all want a video of me changing my brakes, because I need to change my brakes next. But anyways, I hope y'all liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Go follow my Instagram at 392dog, where the lit shit at. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, stay dangerous on